Apart from the typical categories of laws like constitutional law, civil and criminal laws, there are special laws also. Special laws are enacted by a specific objective to address specific issues in our country. As the list of special laws is endless, property laws, environment laws, cyber laws, and refugee laws are few examples of such laws. Let us discuss them in little detail to have a better understanding. We all live in a house. We have furniture, vehicles, jewels, etc. We claim all these as our belongings, right? Hence, they become our private property. No individual can trespass or take possession of a private property in an unlawful way. In our country, the major legislation which deals with property-related matters is the Transfer of Property Act 1882. There are also public properties which belong to all and are managed by the government, like roads, bridges, highways, buses, trains, etc. Since these are public properties and no person has the right to damage them or claim them as theirs, anybody damaging such properties or interfering with others from using them are punished by the laws. Similar to the property laws, environment laws are safeguard legislations for nature and the planet that we live in. Cutting down trees, illegal river mining, sand scams, contamination of water bodies, etc. can be reported under the Air Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1981, the Water Prevention and Control of Pollution Act 1974, and the Environment Protection Act 1986. Imagine a factory that releases wastes in the nearby public area and water bodies or causes air or noise pollution. We can report this under the aforesaid legislation and definite punishments would be imposed against the perpetrators. A recent protest on the Sterilite factory in Tamil Nadu can be recalled in this regard. The nearby villagers and environmental activists protested against setting up the Sterilite factory as it was hazardous for the environment and public living in that locality. In such cases, only the courts can shut down such hazardous activities and punish the offenders. For example, in 2020, the Supreme Court ordered to demolish 4 high-end apartment complexes in Maradu municipality in Kochi for violating coastal regulation zone notifications, a kind of environmental law.